was a president just for only 2 days. Oh my gosh, this is so interesting. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming back. If you are new here, my name is Karen Bakendo. Welcome to this channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Tell your cousins, brother, mother, uncle, to subscribe to my YouTube channel just to support me. Okay, today I will be talking about facts on Uganda. So guys, without any further ado, allow me to begin this video. Fact number 1, Uganda is located in East Africa. It's a landlocked country that shares borders with Rwanda, Tanzania, Kenya, DRC, and South Sudan. Fact number 2, Rolex is very popular fast food just because it's very delicious. It is also street food, basically eggs, cabbage, tomato, onions, pepper, wrapped in chapati. So guys, that is it. Fact number 3, the Ugandan flag has 6 horizontal bands containing 3 colors, which is red, yellow, and black. Fact number 4, the capital city of Uganda is Kampala. It's also the largest city of Uganda. It's divided into 5 divisions. We have Kawempe Division, Nakawa Division, Makindye Division, Rubaga Division, and Kampala Central Division. So guys, did you know that? Please let me know in the comments. Fact number 5, the current president of Uganda is Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. He has been in power since 1986. Fact number 6, driving in Uganda. Oh my god. You have to drive on your left side of the road. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Not the right, not the right, not the right, not the right. Did you know that, guys? So when you come in Uganda, be sure you drive on the left side. Fact number 7, the official language of Uganda is Luganda and English. Fact number 8, matoke is very popular food in Uganda and favorite food for most people in the country. So you can have so many recipes with matoke. Fact number 9, in Uganda there is a rule. If you cut down 1 tree, then you will need to plant 3 trees as well. Fact number 10, Uganda is one of the few countries in Africa design her own car. Fact number 11, Basilio Olara Okello was a Ugandan president. The fact he had of state for only 2 days from 27 July to 29 July 1985. Uganda celebrated in Independence Day on October 9 every year. Guys, did you know that? Was a president just for only 2 days. Oh my gosh, this is so interesting. Fact number 12, Uganda is home of tallest mountain range in Africa, the Rwenzori Mountain, also referred to as a mountain of moon. Mountain Rwenzori, the moderate peak, is the 4th highest in Africa and reached 5,109 meters. Oh my gosh, this is so interesting, guys. That is why gorillas reside in Rwenzori Mountain. Fact number 13, Lake Victoria in Uganda is the largest tropical lake in the world, and it's also considered the 2nd largest freshwater lake. Oh my gosh, guys, did you know that? Fact number 14, main exports of Uganda are coffee, fish and fish-related products, tea, tobacco, cotton, corn, beans. So Uganda is among of the top 10 coffee growers of producers in the world, as well as world's 4th largest exporter of Robusta coffee. This is according to 2015 reports. Fact number 15. The Lonely Planet selects Uganda as the best tourist attraction country in 2012. So, the report states that nearly 1 million tourists across the world visit Uganda every year. Guys, this is too much. I feel like I'm in love with Uganda. Uganda is my second home. Fact number 16. Uganda is the largest exporter of bananas, following India, number 2. To make sense, those gorillas around to Uganda. Guys, have you noticed that? Also, one of the best pineapples and avocados are found in Uganda. Fact number 17. Uganda is very hospitable and it has one of the best, not one, but many safari destinations in Africa. Check out the Lake Victoria. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And yeah, that is Uganda. The last fact about Uganda, oh my gosh, I think I can't shout about this. This fact is, oh my god, the last fact about Uganda. Let me do this. Ugandan, when they want to use a bathroom, they will say, I want to make a short call. Oh my god, this is funny. So guys, this is not all the facts. So if you know other facts, please let me know in the comments. Drop the comments down below. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, to like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.